is Leica, and today I would like to show you how to create an EC2 instance using Terraform in AWS with IAM role instead of using the access keys and secret keys. So let's get started and go to the video. So the first thing we need to make sure the Terraform is installed on your EC2 instance that you have created already. So let me show you. Go to AWS Management Console and search for EC2 and go to instances. So you can see here I have created an EC2 named as Terraform. And if you can go and click on this instance ID and copy this public IP address and go and search for putty. That's the one I use. So paste the IP address and go to SSH authorization and search for key, private key. So and there we go. So I'm logging here as Ubuntu. Okay, so now you can check here whether the Terraform is installed on your server or on your EC2 server or not. So just give terraform -- version command. So it will show you, and it is showing now the Terraform is installed, which is the latest one. So now go back to Management Console, and the second step here is like we need to create a IAM role. So go to IAM. You need to create a role. If you have one already created, that's fine, but I'll show you anyway. So on the left hand side here, click on the roles, and now I have already created the role anyway, so I'll show you quickly. If you don't have if you haven't created one, just go to create role, and I have named it as a Terraform just to remember. I have the policy I have given is like Amazon EC2 full access. That's the permission I have given to this role. So yeah, let's go back and attach this IAM role to EC2 to the instance you have already created. So let's go back here, go to instances, and just click on the instance and go to actions, and here at the security you can modify your IAM role. There we go. So here is asking me to choose. This is Terraform. That's the IAM rule I have created with Amazon EC2 full access. So I'm updating. So that is all you need to do here. And then now go back to the code. Like you need to write the Terraform code to execute. So first I have created a variable.tf file where I have given the AWS region, the key name, instance type, the security group, and tag name, and the AMI ID for the instance I want to launch. And then I have created another file, main.tf. So this is the place where you can see all, like you can see here the provider, that's the AWS, that's where I want to create an instance, and the region, and everything, all these, the meaning here, the word var means it will take the information from variable.tf file. So var.aws region, so the region, if you want to see it, the region I have given is Europe West 2, and the key name I have given as EC2 server. you know that while I was launching it, that's a key name I have. So you can use any kind of keys anyway. So I'm using the same one, and then the instant type is like T2 micro, and I'm giving a security group. I'm creating a security group as well. So I have named it as my second EC2 server. And then for the tag, I've given the name like my EC2 instance too. And for the AMI ID, I have copied it from the Amazon AWS console itself. So when you want the AMI ID, you can take from here. I'll quickly show you how to do that. So no. So this is the first step to launch the instance. Search here for Ubuntu. That's the one I want to launch. That's the Amazon mission image I would like to use for my new instance as well. So if you can search for it, you can see like various Ubuntu Amazon machine images. So I'm taking the free tier one. So you can click here and take the AMI ID. You can copy here and paste it in your code. You can paste it in your code, in the Terraform code. So it's same for the rest of them. If you want the Amazon Linux, you can search for Amazon Linux. If you want Red Hat, you can go for Red Hat Enterprise Linux. So okay, let's go back and let's go back to our code. So there we go. We got, so that's the my ID, and I have given some CIGO blocks like the port name. I have given the port numbers. It's entirely up to you what the port ranges you need for your new EC2 in EC2. So yeah, I have given here the outbound ones is from 0 to 65535. So it is like it means all traffic. So yeah, coming to the resource, we all know that we're creating an AWS instance, so that's the name for it, and we have to give AMI key name, instance type, security groups, and the tags, which I have already given. So, and I'm creating an elastic IP address as well. So yeah, I just given a name for it. um for the tags, I've given first elastic IP. That's the elastic IP name I have given. So this is all this is the code. Now we can go back to Putty and can quickly launch the Terraform. I mean, like execute the Terraform. For the we all know that we have three powerful Terraform commands. We told Terraform init, Terraform plan, and Terraform apply. So just quickly start Terraform init. I'm initializing the Terraform now. Oh, my bad. So yeah, we're going to quickly copy the code. So for that, we need to create a directory, make a directory name terraform dot code. Okay, and create files, sudo vi variables.tf. That's the file I'm creating, and I'm going to copy paste my code from here. There we go. So now escape, shift semicolon right quit. Okay, and now we're going to add another file named main.tf. So let's do that. Sudo vi main.tf. Okay, and then again copy the code that I have already written. So there we go, copy that, go to my putty, insert, and then oh sorry, there we go. I have given my code here. So then escape, shift plus semicolon, right quit. There we go. And now we have our code with us now. So just clear the page and sorry, clear, and then just execute the terraform commands now. Terraform init. So it is saying initializing the backend and initializing the AWS plugins for us now. It's saying successfully initialized. Now we're going to apply terraform plan command where it checks every single thing that in our code, make sure everything's fine. So it say it's fine, so we can do terraform apply. Okay, so it asks for a final confirmation uh, to perform these actions. So given as, and it is saying creating. So let's wait for it. It may takes a couple of 10-15 seconds maybe. So it's taking a bit more time. Okay, it's saying completed. Okay, let's check it. So go to our management console, go to EC2, and then check for the instances. Oh, there we go. We got our instance that I have just created, my EC2 instance. There we go. It is initializing. The status check is initializing. If you can go back to the EC2, we can see that I have just created an elastic IP. I mean, first underscore elastic IP. That's the elastic IP I just created using Terraform. And the security group. I have created a security group named EC2 server. Okay. Sorry. That one, my second EC2 server. This is the one I just created. And then I EC2 instance. So if you go back to Putty, you can just see here the plan is 3 to add, nothing but the instance, elastic IP, and the security group. So this is it. We all done. We have created an EC instance which is up and running now. It is saying like it passed the 2x2 checks and everything. I need to say, oh, sorry, it's initializing. It may take a minute, maybe. Oh, there we go. It passed and everything's up and running. I hope you guys understand. If you have any questions, please do let me know in the comments so I can clear them. Thank you.